We're living in a world where information moves faster than ever before. Every day brings more data, more decisions, and higher expectations. Artificial intelligence helps us work smarter. It automates routine tasks, uncovers insights, accelerates creativity, gives people more time to focus on solving real problems. The true value of AI isn't replacing people, it is empowering them. Better decisions, faster innovation, improved productivity, more personalized experiences. When used responsibly, AI becomes a powerful partner for individuals, businesses, and communities alike. The future belongs to those who are willing to learn, adapt, and innovate. The future is intelligent. Let's build it together.